Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is STEND awarded multi-million US contract to develop AI-powered one-way attack drone kits for SOF. STEND Reality Incorporated has been awarded a multi-million-dollar fixed-price contract by the Office of the Assistant Secretary of War, OASW, for Special Operations, Low-Intensity Conflict, SOLIC, Capability Development and Innovation, CD&I, Directorate to develop and deliver affordable close-quarter modular effects FPV first-person view, drone kits, ACQMEDK. The contract will see STEND rapidly provide next-generation, AI-enabled one-way attack, OWA, kits with training to Department of War small tactical teams. The ACQMEDK kits are purpose-built to increase precision strike lethality and survivability for operators conducting irregular warfare in complex urban and confined rural terrain. STEND will supply training, spares, maintenance and production from its Tampa, Florida headquarters, providing a domestic source of supply. STEND positions swarm-based autonomy as central to modern doctrine, enabling distributed, collaborative robotic systems to perform complex missions at the tactical edge. The company says remote-operated swarms deliver precision and survivability effects deep inside contested battle spaces without risking personnel or relying on fragile beyond line-of-sight links. The system emphasis is on low cost per kill, one-way loitering munitions that convert tactical intent into lethal effect while keeping operator cognitive load to a minimum. Key innovations cited include XTEND's high-voltage electronic safe and arm device, ESAD, dual comms resilience combining fiber optic cable and hardened RF radio frequency, modular VTOL vertical takeoff and landing and munitions kits, and AI behaviors derived from field experience. Aviv Shapira, co-founder and CEO of STEND, said, "This is the first operational system in the world that allows one operator to command and deploy swarms of AI-enabled tactical drones remotely, with resilient fiber optic plus RF dual comms precision and zero-latency control." The company underlined that the system is battle-proven after deployments across 5 war zones and is presented as an operationally mature capability rather than a concept. Ruby Liani, co-founder and CTO, said, "Our XOS unifies sensors, radars, payloads, and third-party features and apps into a single AI-driven mission backbone." STEND stated that XOS merges human intent with AI autonomy to translate mission goals into coordinated robotic action across air, land, and sea domains. STEND describes the award as a confirmation of its market leadership in OWA systems and of customer preference for its ESAD safety board and dual comms approach. The company highlighted its global footprint of more than 10,000 systems deployed in over 32 countries and said the ACQMEDK program will extend its proven capabilities deeper into complex terrain and close-quarters operations. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.